How to stop video autoplay in Instagram, or simply turn off disable Instagram video autoplay. So let's get started. First of all, start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Then, inside the Instagram app, all you have to do is tap on the profile picture of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen to navigate to your profile section. Now, once inside the profile, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings and privacy. Now here all you have to do is scroll down and look for the media quality option available there. Once you tap on the media quality, you will get to see use less mobile data option available there. Simply turn on that switch. This stops video preloading and autoplay on cellular data, but Wi-Fi remains unchanged. So in order to turn off or stop video autoplay, we only have this option available in the Instagram. So make sure to toggle this switch on. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.